Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Pura 70 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on this Reset option and tap on Reset Network Settings, which is on the second position, right in the middle. So here your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth all together. So let's tap on Reset Network Settings, confirm it with your screen lock, tap on Reset Network Settings. Of course, be aware that this operation cannot be undone. So if you're ready, tap on Reset Network Settings, and as you can see, we've got this info, which means that we just successfully reset all preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.